She is a cleft surgeon. She is a fitness enthusiast, trained Kathak dancer, project director of an orphanage, and she is our VG Mrs. India Rajasthan, Avni Pandey. Hi Avni, how are you?
All well, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. It's so good to see you after such a long time.
Same here, ma'am. It's really good to see.
So, yeah, how is the pandemic going on? How is everything going on at your side?
Actually, for us being a doctor, actually it has it did not affect much in the sense that we already have patients and all. Of course, elective surgeries have gone down, and we normally, but then for us, actually, it became even more difficult because we have to take care of ourselves. We have to save ourselves, and then
Right.
so that we can, do not infect our own family and all. So
Right,
that is the
right.
thing.
Right.
So, but still, of course, you get to know many other things at the time of pandemic.
Right.
We are more versed with technology now and other
Yeah.
things.
We have started knowing so many new things. We started to learn.
Definitely.
We have learned such so many new recipes.
Definitely,
Every
we all
day.
became chef. Huh?
Yeah, every
We
day
all
we were
became
making
chef,
something new. Every
and all
day.
we have started taking care of all those packs and all. When we get free time, we are experimenting with that.
Yes. We are doing
All those,
everything. We have become
it was
beautician. We have become like
yeah, definitely.
everything. Like we have started doing everything. The people who
It's just a time
it depends on the people to people. There were people who just took this time as like they wanted to, they got fat. They didn't take care
Yeah, that's what
of their
pessimist
fitness.
and all.
Yes, but for their
And actually, some people
many
they
people,
took it
yes,
as a passive.
yes,
They felt bad about it. But I feel that you got holidays, you got to
huh.
take
It's the
care
way
of
you think.
yourself well. Then you can try new things, and your old hobbies you can start doing that again if you
Yes,
get time.
yes.
So it was not that bad, but still for the people who are
Yeah, who are
not very
suffering.
well versed,
Yeah,
yeah,
that is
for
for
them
them.
it was bad.
Yes, of course it's bad. Yeah, for many of the
It's
people
like
who
how you
have
see
left their
things.
jobs, so for
Definitely,
those
yeah,
people,
that's
yes. But it's okay. It's
that's
a
what.
part of the life. We cannot do anything.
Exactly. It's how you see. If you see good,
जो
then
हमारे
it will
हाथ
be
में
good.
नहीं है उसके लिए हम कुछ
That.
नहीं कर सकते. जो हमारे हाथ में उसके लिए कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
That's what the
Absolutely.
message is. Okay, so why did you participate? Like you already are a surgeon, so we know how a doctor look like. Like even if you don't think about it, we people, like for the normal lay person, I know how do they feel about the doctor. When the doctor comes, they really feel a sense of a gratitude, respect.
Why I participated because I am a very pro-life, pro-experience person. I wanted to explore everything, whatever is in my capability, and of course, ethical experiments. So I really want to explore and experiment with my life in a way that I want all the experiences. So that I will have so many stories to tell at the end because we have only one life, one short life. So you should explore it to the maximum. You should have all the experience whatsoever you can do, so that you will have no regret. Like I could have done that, but I did not do. So you should everyone should whatever comes in their heart,
Yes.
whatever desire they have, they should give it a chance. I think so that
So do people used
they
to
will
tell you
not have.
before like yes you are beautiful? People used to tell you about like you are beautiful or not?
No, I don't want to become modest, but see, I never thought I'm a beautiful person. If I tell you the truth, I've always been confident. But if I see my
No,
in
what
my
about
family,
people?
I've
What
lost-
about people? The people used to tell you yes she is beautiful.
Yeah, but some people they used to say some, but I never took it on my heart that
While
I'm
growing up,
beautiful or not. Because
while growing up, the people used to say your parents.
so while growing up, actually, that's what I was telling, that me and my brother, we are almost of same age, and my brother is very good looking.
Okay.
So I everyone in my family, they used to say, they were like, he is handsome and she is okay.
Okay.
So I never, no one, in my childhood, I never got. My father used to say, like out of love, every father says that yeah, my daughter is beautiful. But that was I can make out that he is just saying for the sake of saying.
Okay. तो
but I never
बचपन में
got
कोई नहीं
that
कहता था कि
appreciation.
सुंदर लड़की है ये.
Never. And you won't believe it, I have a very short hair till my graduation.
And now you have got the subtitle of beautiful hair.
Yeah, that's what I had really short hair because I was a geek. I was so involved in my studies that I never took these things seriously. So I've never got into all those things. But still, that's what I said. No one in my family, till till I grown a bit, to a considerable age, then they might have said that.
Okay.
But before that, it was all never I got to.
Even to me, nobody used to tell her that she is beautiful. I never realized. I don't know, like I never realized that I'm beautiful, even before marriage or after marriage. I was like, okay, I'm okay, Sundar,
but my husband never told me that. He has never told me that I'm beautiful.
Okay, still he has not told you.
Never he has told me that.
So just show him the crown every day.
Yeah, that's what I should wear my crown and sash and walk like this in front of him.
Yes. Then once in a while he has to say this thing. Okay, so how did it feel to be there on the pageant, on the ramp?
That's what even if I think about it, I get goosebumps now also because it was such a wonderful, beautiful experience. I've never thought that it will be such a profound experience in my life. I went in a pageant to grow myself as a person so that I'll meet new people and for the experience of being on the stage and all those things. But it was more than that. You got to get many friends. You got to have such a beautiful experience. You're meeting new people. You're knowing what is there in their life, and it's a sneak peek into their life also. In all those atmosphere, everything is so beautiful. And it was really a very good experience. And that stage thing was, you have to stand there and all those things.
How was the experience of walking on heels? And how was the experience of doing the catwalk?
I normally used to wear heels since long. Like I was, that I was condemned for wearing heels in my medical school, if I tell you, because everyone used to say that, doctors should not wear heels. You should behave professionally. So then I wanted to, why we can't wear heels? But then ramp is altogether a different experience. You have to walk in a certain way.
There are certain things that the people say that doctors should not do.
Yeah, definitely.
Then what is your say about it?
Before I was coming to the pageant, somebody told me that you should not go to beauty pageant because it will have an negative impact on your career. That doesn't count as a professional. But what I feel is that I wanted to smash that rule also. That we are doctors, but that doesn't mean that we can't live our own life.
Right.
And there is I think I can I can be a good surgeon also. I can be a good I can win also.
Right.
So there's no contract.
I can be a beauty queen also.
Between the two.
I can be a beauty queen also, right?
Exactly, there's no contradiction, it's like there's nothing, no relation between them that we should not go.
उनको सुंदर दिखना नहीं है?
Exactly, we all are women first.
Yes.
And we all are women and we all want to become beauty queens.
Obviously. So, what new happened with you after the pageant? When you came back from the pageant, so something new happened with you, some new compliments from the friends. They saw some change in you.
Friends, more than friends, I think people who might not be knowing me much, they gave more compliments.
Yes.
Because friends, they took you as you are, and moreover, you got to get so much of media attention, so much of other attentions also you get.
Yes.
So you tend to see your photographs on newspaper and all those things, and people wants to take your interview.
Have you kept the newspapers?
So that is of course an added advantage.
So have you kept the newspapers?
Yeah, I have kept.
Cuttings are there. Where have you kept your crown?
If I tell you the truth, I've put my crown in the locker. All those sash also in the locker because I'm so much attached to that crown.
Okay.
That crown feels the sense of that wow, we have gone there and we have done so properly, and it's a great experience, I think.
Right.
So I've kept all my sash and even the selection and all those sash. We have different. You gave us different sash, so everything I've kept it in the locker.
Like you have goosebumps when you see those sashes, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's what sashes. And I feel that. When we see those crown, and when we even remember what all those 4-5 days experience was really a very beautiful experiences, and I think everyone should participate in beauty pages so that they can have they can grow as a person, not for like winning or anything, but they should participate so that they will have an added experience in their life.
Right.
It's not for winning, or it's not for you will know how to walk or something like that. Of course, that is an added advantage, that you will get to learn so many new things which you might not be knowing. For example, I was not knowing how to do proper makeup.
And now you have done
That's
proper
what
makeup.
I was. That's what now I know. And there are so many things like about tricks of makeup which was being taught by Pooja and VLCC people. So that really helped. Now I know how to do makeup. But
So what do you
it's
have to
not
say
previously-
about it, that people who do not do the makeup and they think that yes, their skin is okay, they are looking fine, they don't have to do the makeup. So what do you have to say about that?
There is always a scope for improvement. Even I used to feel that if people they do makeup, it looks overdue or something like that. No, you should know how to do a proper makeup, and everyone should know. Every woman should have this skill in their kitty.
Yes.
How to do makeup and how to talk, how to walk. It's not that I'm being gender bias or something like that. That you should, but there's nothing wrong in improving yourself. I think
Right.
you should always aim to improve yourself. If you do not know something, it's not that we are okay like that. No, you should know. At least basic thing you should know.
Any one
Because
trick
we
you
all
can
are
say about
busy.
makeup? Any one trick that
That's
you would
what
like
you
to
only
share?
told me, that that you should make your eyebrows first before makeup, and you should have that gives you
You
your
should
face a
fill
clean and,
your eyebrows.
Yeah, that's what you should fill your eyebrows, and you should this gives your sharp look. And moreover, what I felt, which I was dead against before coming to the pageant, I was dead against with this false eyelashes. I never used to like, although I not wear it now. But I think if you're going to a marriage function, I would suggest you, if you're wearing sari or Indian wear, you should use this false eyelashes. Really looks good with your ethnic wear.
You should learn
blush,
how to use it. Like first you should
Yeah,
learn. I know it's
I think
tiresome.
it's
It's tiresome to learn it because you start feeling
Exactly.
leave it, yaar, nahi chalta hai, chodo. But once you get pro in that, you will start feeling good.
Exactly. There is always scope for improvement. I feel that if you don't know something, you should always try to learn that.
Yes. So, what did you learn during the pageant and after the pageant? Like, obviously, you learned the makeup, right? What else? Like, again, I will say, being a surgeon, you have a definite walk. You do not slouch. Yes, you do not do that. Yes. But what else did you learn?
What else I have learned is that it's not very easy to walk on ramp. Previously I was like all these beauty queens, they just walk, but then I learned actually it's a hard work which goes into them. Like it's altogether a different industry. You need to how to walk, and everywhere the cameraman is standing, so you need to have certain you can't just stand like anything or something like that. You should be aware of what you're doing.
Yes.
So it's not an easy job, but at the end, what I can take the takeaway of this is that every woman can do this. We all have that power. Every woman can become a beauty queen. We can stand even if we have back pain. Still, if we are participating in pageant, we can stand. We can stand for 6 hours.
You learn how to bear the pain, right?
Yeah, that's what pain.
Yes.
Pain, anyways, women know because we give birth to
Yes,
a child,
yes,
so
yes,
we are well accustomed with pain. But you can 6 hours. You can stand in 6 hours with a smile on your
With
face.
a smile on your
6
face.
inches stilettos in a particular way, which is being taught.
Yes.
So you can stand and you can win. And every woman can win. I feel that, and every woman can participate
Can
if you have that
participate.
desire. And
Yes.
if you want, then you should not settle for normal things. And
And you should
as
want.
far as
You should want. You should
Exactly,
try
you
to
should.
do, like, at least once in a while
Exactly.
you should try something new in your
Exactly.
life, because your life is full of challenges.
definitely.
The ladies,
That's
the
what-
married
and, you have
married
only
ladies,
one single life.
their life is full of challenges. They do not know
That's what-
what
even
next
if-
is coming.
That's what, because even if you're settled in your life, you're means we are happy with whatever you have. But still, I feel that every woman should participate in pageant. Why? Because they still give a new edge to their life and new
Right.
experience to their well-being. And of course they can go anywhere, but what I feel that they should because I am a Visionara Global
So
person.
I was going to
I
ask you about it. What do you have to say about Visionara Global Mrs. India pageant?
That's what I was telling, that it's the the best thing about Visionara Global is it's very inclusive. It's like we are including everyone. We are not categorizing anyone like you should have particular height. What is there in the other pages that you should have particular height, particular body shape and all. We are not particular age, of course.
Right.
So we are not categorizing in that, and it's like we are. And if you are little shy about your own self, we are giving so good training. So it's like it's,
it doesn't matter whether you are
of
60
course
year
it's
or
agent.
20 year or 30 year. It doesn't matter at all.
Exactly, that's what doesn't matter. And moreover, we are giving such a good profound training also that we are transforming every woman into a beauty queen only.
Yes.
It's there is no like whosoever has participated, I think before coming and after going, they have literally transformed the way. So for the women who are little shy, I would like to tell them that you should, if you're shy, you should doubly participate in
Yes,
Visionara Global.
yes, yes,
Because
yes.
we are, it's such a supportive team, and it's such a beautiful experience. And it's like not the worst thing about other pageants is that I should not say this, but too much of competition, too much. Of course we are competitive, it's not that we are not competitive.
Yes.
But we are so inclusive, and we are humans actually. This is the pageant, I will tell
And
you
we
that
understand.
it's
We
the pageant
understand
of
about
kindness.
you. Yes.
Exactly, this is the pageant about kindness, this is the pageant about friendship, this is the pageant about love.
Thank you
Which
so much.
this is our forte. I will say that this is Visionara Global. Our forte is that we stand with love, we stand with kindness. So
We
that's the
understand
reason,
what you are going through.
Exactly.
We understand how your life is going. So we
Exactly.
take everything
we don't
including.
pressurize that.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't pressurize undue things like because there are women who are coming from working things, so we will tell them that do a certain things and like that. So it's not that, and we will train. And moreover, like even if someone is coming like that, we will train them so properly
Right.
that every woman can become a
They
beauty
can
queen
start
if you
something
have that
new.
burning desire.
See, they can start, even if you do not, the thing is, okay, only one will be the winner, but you can start something new with your life.
Exactly, and you can have a good, beautiful experience which you will cherish all your life.
Yes.
So that's what this is, the pageant with love and kindness. This
Thank
is
you
what I
so
say
much.
to everyone.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Avni, this is it. We had a lovely experience talking to you. We had a lovely words coming from
Same
you.
here, ma'am.
Thank you so much. We will use these words for our advertisement. So thank you so
Sure,
much
ma'am,
for
sure.
that. Yeah. So take care and
Okay, ma'am.
have a wonderful life. Thank you so much.
Same to you, ma'am. Same to you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.